Does your Brazilian Jiu Jitsu martial arts school policy cover you for injuries or liabilities from participants who are coming to your open mat? That's a great question that every Brazilian Jiu Jitsu gym owner needs to be asking their insurance agent right now. And I can tell you from the experience that we have with the insurance companies that we work with that do cover the participant liability in the Brazilian Jiu Jitsu schools, not all insurance companies are covering this risk. Meaning, just off the shelf, if you buy your liability insurance from one of these companies, you can't guarantee that that coverage is going to be there for you when you have people coming from outside gyms or academies to participate in open mats or open gyms where there's no instruction. In other words, there's just rolling. That being said, that risk can certainly be added to almost any of these programs with the proper document and endorsement from the insurance company. That means that you, the gym owner, and us, the broker, communicate effectively as to how often, when, and who's coming to these events, how many people are coming to your open mats. Then we look at the overall number of students in your academy. We compare that to the average number of people that are coming to your open mats. We report that information to the insurance company. They provide any type of rating or additional cost to adding this risk or coverage to your program. And then they give us an offer. Typically, you can add for $100 or $200 a year coverage to make sure that all of your open mats and events inside of your gym are covered. So that being said, let's make sure that we have a conversation, if you haven't already, with one of myself or my brokers to talk about participant liability insurance, making sure that's covered, number one, in your overall commercial liability insurance. Because guess what? Some agents will write commercial liability insurance for Brazilian Jiu Jitsu academies, and due to usually lack of specialization, understanding of the risk, or maybe just having a lack of products, will issue that commercial liability insurance program to that Brazilian Jiu Jitsu gym owner without coverage for participation of people in the gym doing Brazilian Jiu Jitsu. Call that crazy, but I wouldn't want that insurance policy for myself or any of my clients. So number one, let's make sure participant liability is included in your overall martial arts studio coverage. But then more importantly, if you're hosting open mats, let's make sure that we've calculated the average number of people, the amount of times that you'll be having the open mats. Let's communicate it effectively to the insurance company so that if any type of lawsuit happens or allegations from an injury at the open mat, then we can make sure that we are covered in any type of civil lawsuit, and any payouts would be paid out by the insurance companies and not our business or our personal assets. If you have more questions about this, or like I said before, getting in touch to talk more about your commercial gym liability insurance policy, drop your information below.